will foreclose your will. And this is day 12. I repeat, this is day 12. And we will do it for 7 minutes. Oh. Do y'all ever hate when somebody try to give you advice and they not even in the same field as you doing what you doing? Like for example, when I'm a content creator, as you can see. Somebody trying to give me advice and they not even a content creator. They talk about you need an editor and everything. I say you have to start somewhere. You're not gonna have everything when you start something. You have to start with everything that you have. I don't like people like that. And those type of people you don't take advice from. You take advice from somebody who in the same field as you, and they higher than you. They doing something that you doing. You don't take advice from people who not in the same field as you, who not doing the same thing as you. Always keep that in mind. So if that person trying to give you advice and they're not in the same field as you, don't even take it. Don't even take it at all. Keep doing what you're doing, and that's it. That's some advice from y'all, for y'all. Free game, free game, bro. Free game. That's it, bro. I just gotta put these clothes up to where they need to be. Uh, Hold on, y'all. I said when I get out. There ain't no milk. No milk. I'll figure out some. I got some. I have something. Oh, is this so sticky, folks? I don't like that. We'll have to wash that out. Turn off. Go ahead. Oh, go ahead. I got you. Go up there. Ain't that much serious, brother. No, you don't. That's the second one we on already. I'll go.